that deer is a cute and beautiful animal. It has beautiful skin and strong horns. Once upon a time there was a deer lived in a dense forest. One day a hunter was attracted with the deer. So he was tracking that deer last couple few days. He found that deer came exactly to the same tree each day for fruits. It was an apple tree. The hunter was so attracted by the beauty of the deer and wanted to catch the deer alive. He thought, if I set a trap here, I can catch the deer easily. He started his plan as soon as possible. He just set a trap and kept some beautiful fruits over it.